Yo, I don't even know how to start the video off, bro. I don't know how to start the video off, but we're gonna get right into it, man. Your boy The Vintage is coming back to sneaker YouTube. We gotta talk about in today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video. And I do want to give a major shout out to my guy Becken Zugana. I can't even pronounce the handle he got, but he kicked some major game when I said, man, I'm coming back to sneaker YouTube. He said sometimes you have to take a trip to realize home is key. And I said, bro, you hit the nail right on the head with that one. And pretty much what that kind of let me realize is like, you know, sometimes you think you want to go do something else, and then you realize like, bro, I really miss, or pretty much, you know, made me, where my originality did come from, which is sneaker YouTube. And the amount of things we have done and accomplished with sneaker YouTube is crazy. And over this last month and a half, man, I was like, bro, I miss the community, bro. I miss the community, miss chopping up with you guys, miss the interaction with you guys, and just all things sneakers. I'm like, bro, I'm hanging out with the homies. We talking about kicks. I'm like, bro, I can't believe I'm not doing sneaker YouTube anymore. And it hit me crazy when I was at a game a couple weekends ago, and buddy out of nowhere, you know what I'm saying? Of course, people are gonna notice who you are. Sometimes people come up, sometimes people don't. But bro, I'm talking about I'm in the middle of the stadium. Oh, not the middle of the stadium. That's the field. You guys know what I mean. I'm in the middle of the walkway, and he said, "Hey, bro, you don't want to do sneaker YouTube?" And I'm like, "Bro, that is crazy." At the time, I wasn't even doing sneaker YouTube, but the fact that he noticed who I was from the sneaker YouTube aspect was like, "Bro, what am I doing?" So like going forward, I had to figure out kind of how I want to outline the content, how I want to incorporate new things with also being my original self and what we created together, which is sneakers. Because of course I love shoes. I got over like 200-300 pairs. Of course I still love shoes, but it was at a point, I'm not gonna lie, where I was like, man, I really don't like doing the content that I'm doing right now. I don't know what was really affecting that. I don't know if it's because I was doing it so long. You know, when you've been in a relationship for a long time, you know, the fire start to die. But you got to figure out new things that kind of make it spark again. So that's what my sole mission is, kind of leading to the rest of the year and going into 2026, knowing that we have another stacked year of sneakers. And for everybody saying sneakers is dead, it is not dead at all. That's not the reason I stopped doing sneaker YouTube, even though I really didn't stop. Kind of just, you know, wanted to venture out and do something else with the content. But, you know, the sneakers is not dead whatsoever, bro. We done got Tokyo 5s, undefeated 4s, brick by bricks. The list goes on. We got the Galaxy phone boxes. People are selling their cars for the Galaxies, bro. The sneakers is not dead at all. Jordans are not dead. I've been appreciating everything they have been dropping. But the kind of crazy is the last month, I really ain't bought no shoes. But over the last, you know, 24, 48 hours, your boy did pull the trigger on a couple of pairs. And of course, they early. You know, your boy the bitches still get everything early. Even if I wasn't doing YouTube, I gotta get it first. Because you ain't first, you last. And if you ain't popping out with them first, then everybody gonna have them on their feet. You know what I'm saying? So you guys are gonna see some more content coming, some more early looks and stuff like that. But again, man, just kind of want to come on here and I almost want to like issue an apology almost. You know, the slick want to issue an apology for even kind of going away from what I, you know, originally started. We started this from the ground up, bro. From 0 supporters to where we are today. And just crazy too, I just had to point out that we lost a tremendous amount of supporters from that transition period that I did have. It's like it's ridiculous. Like I lost quite a few followers on Instagram and on YouTube. They said, bro, not rock with the fitness. I solely know you for the shoes, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump off the porch. I'm gonna stop supporting you for a while, and that's just how it went. And not saying that it was something that kind of demotivated me from doing the fitness, because I'm still doing. I'm still posting on Instagram every single day. So if you guys do want to see some content for fitness, go check on my IG. I'm gonna leave that there for a while, and then kind of slowly start to work in the fitness with the content that we are doing here. Maybe do like a vlog type style or something like that, because we got a lot of interaction from the vlogs that we did do going to the gym over the last couple of weeks. So you guys are gonna see that more to come for show, man. But your boy, it's 100% back. We are back doing the content, and yeah, man, it's really the only thing that kind of brought me back was the simple fact that, you know, I gotta get back to what I started, bro. I started this. And I don't think that we finished at all. I thought I was done with it. You know what I'm saying? I thought I was done. Like I referenced the, you know, the relationship you'd have for a while. You just got to figure out kind of how to, you know, reignite that flame, reignite that passion or that love for what you once had. So that is a soul mission, and your boy is officially back, man. So shouts out to everybody that did send mad like love from the video I said that I am quitting. I think that was about a little month and a half ago, but the amount of support and the amount of supporters that we seen in the comments, I was like, man, I didn't want to drop a tear. Like, bro, y'all really rocked out with your boy for the last 8 years. I've been doing YouTube for like 8 years now. It's crazy. Probably even more than that. I started when the Space Jam 11 dropped, so you guys can do the years, but it does not feel like that. Almost 10 years I've been doing YouTube, and to kind of step away from that, it's like, yo, it's like you losing something. It's like you lose a childhood friend, you know what I'm saying? That's kind of how it felt when I seen all the amount of supporters and the amount of love that I did get from that video of me quitting YouTube. But I do truly appreciate y'all. Hopefully we get all those subscribers back, all the supporters back. Got some more content away, more early looks, all that good stuff is coming. So I need you guys to stick around and let me know what kind of content you guys do want to see. The content I have been doing over like the last 4 or 5 years, I'm gonna say that, you know, I'm gonna say that for another day. I'm gonna say that for another day, for like kind of one of my TED Talk type vibes when I'm doing a video, because I got some ideas I want to do. The content I've been doing over the last 4 or 5 years, I'm gonna say that for another one. Y'all gotta stick around for that one, because I'm gonna keep it real with you guys in terms of doing content and kind of the whole space that you're in, like your niche. Things happen, you see other things, and I'm gonna keep it real with you guys coming soon. Trust me, I'm gonna spill all the beans about kind of the whole sneaker YouTube aspect, this content creator space, and all that stuff. So you guys y'all gonna want to stick around for that one. Probably drop that video very, very soon, and what kind of made me want to stop doing it for a while. But you know, I can be 100% with you guys. I can keep it real, and there's no shame to, you know, shade to nobody else. But you know, yeah, sneaky YouTube is a different beast. I ain't gonna hold y'all. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. We got some content on the way. And I might be doing a vlog very soon to see if they got them Voodoo Jordan 1 lows here in my local area, because I see my boy Ryan got so had them on the video. I said, yo, I'm gonna have to go snag them joints out into the collection. You guys know I love 1 lows. I love working out at 1 lows. So might be a nice little addition. But I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.